How to fix my Vodafone app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem. So the first thing you can do is open the app and see if you are able to log into your account. If you're not, then you can just go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi is stable or not. And if you have a stable internet connection, but still you're facing the issue, then open the Play Store and search for My Vodafone and search for it. Tap on the app. And if you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version. Then you can long press on the app and go to the I button to open up your settings. Now go to app info and go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed. Then go to storage and clear cache first. Then you can clear data. So what it does is it's going to completely erase all of your data, but your account information will still be there. You just have to log in. And finally, you can go to battery and make sure you set this to unrestricted or optimized. And then the last step is to completely restart your phone. So once you restart your phone, you can just try to open up the app and it should start working. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll catch you on the next one.